Han?
Very sharp.
Huh?
Sharp.
How you read it? Not motor?
Yes, motor. That's it.
Motor. Miss K, no, we are in Dublin, Ohio. This is where Mike works patrol for 25 years. This is where he worked doing patrol. My friend Miss Kayak said, "Are you in Ireland, Dublin?"
No, it looks like Ireland.
It looks like Ireland. No, it's not.
It's named after Dublin, Ireland.
Yeah.
A lot of Irish people came
Dublin,
here.
are you in Ireland? Wow. Hi, Sis Biliker. Salamat, Sisi. Pasensya, hindi ko mababa ang mga bahay ninyo, ha? Here's our bike. We just took a break, Miss K, at the little park. Look at my sweetie pie. We're gonna go meet his friend Jeff. He is also working in the city, but he is in the rec center. We are going to meet him there. Ha 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 ha. Where's my dad? Oh, yeah. We're not so far. Thank you guys sa inyong pag-drop by dyan. Holograph, I cannot open the link yet.
You want me to ride through there?
Yeah. Thank you guys, ha? We will bring you around. Now it's gonna be noisy. Bridge Park, crossing Riverside. Thank you, 10 million in the house. This is the Bridge Park. This is good. We have.
I'll get out here and turn around to the back.
All right. This is newly made, newly built. Hens. He likes to drink. He likes to hang out there and have a drink at Hens. That's Hens. Wow, the AC Hotel. That's nice. Ikot ka. Ay, Sis Lorna, ito tambay ko ito. Ay, follow me. Ay, Sis Lorna, nandoon ka lang sa bahay, ha? Ba't wala kang jacket? Aw. Nakatabi lang. Nag-live pa kasi Sis Lorna, nandun ka lang sa aking laptop. Iniwan ko lang yon. Yan, balik kami. Ano nangyari? Tambay. Salamat, Sis Lorna. Kung sa ano man dahil nangyari. Dublin, Ohio. It's nice. Yeah. Kaya lang sis, salamat Sis Lorna. Basta nandun ka lang sa bahay ha. Background lang ko doon. Si Mrs. MD lang ang nagtambay. Salamat Sis Lorna. Salamat sa inyo dyan. Oy, Miss K, drop your link, Miss K.